I'm going to show you how to play the speakerhead theme on piano, which is really Everybody Wants to Rule the World. I'm going to show you easy, intermediate, and a little bit advanced. Here we go. So that's how it goes. So first, let me show you an easy way to do it. So if you get an A and a C sharp and you push them, and then you're going to move down one, and all you do is keep moving back and forth between that. So practice going A and C sharp, G and B. That's all that is. And on the left hand, you're just going to push a D, but we're not going to go ba 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 really fast. We're going to just go bum, 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 bum. So get your A and C ready, and you're going to push both hands at the same time like that. Okay, ready and go. Move down. Do it again. And you keep practicing it like that. The next level is intermediate. You're going to go pinky on C sharp, A, and an E. So practice playing that. And now each finger is going to move down. This one's going to go down to B. This one goes down to G. This one goes to D. So they're kind of like going down one key, kind of feels like. So go back up to the E, A, C sharp. Now move down. So if you keep your hand frozen in this position and just move it down one, if you move your thumb down one, it's going to land on the right key. But you got to keep it like totally frozen. See, I can like shake my arm and it's frozen. So let's try that right here. Get your hand ready. Ready and go. Play. Now move down. Then move back up. Play. Move down. Now you're going to do it with pushing the D's. So we're going to go both. Okay. 1, 2, ready, go. Do it again. Okay, after you've got that, then you can go advanced. And the advanced is going 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So practice that for a minute. And I'm holding the sustain pedal, the pretty pedal down on the piano, which is the one on the right if you have 3 pedals. And so let's try that. So we're going to go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Do it again. And now, once you got that, try to get a little bit faster. And now the last time we're going to try it fast. 1, 2, ready, go. And I'll be posting the melody next, and have a great day. Bye.